What happens to real property after you put it into the trust? What if you need to sell that property? And what do you do with property that you are purchasing either as an investment or as a new primary residence? Well, when it comes to selling real property, it should be pretty straightforward to sell your property out of the trust as long as it's been properly titled in the trust. The only thing that really changes when you're selling property out of a living trust is the word that follows your name on the signature page of the deed, and that word is going to be trustee. You're going to sell it as trustee of your trust. All you have to do in that circumstance, if anyone asks, is prove that you have a living trust and that you are the trustee of that living trust. When we prepare an estate plan, that is easy to do because we provide our clients with a document called a certification of trust. And that is exactly the situation in which you would use a certification of trust to prove to a third party that you have a trust. Here's its name, here's the date it was established, and here's your authority. So selling property out of a living trust is usually pretty easy. Now, buying real property in the name of a living trust is a bit of a different matter because there is a mortgage lender in many cases. And if there's a mortgage lender, then you're going to have to satisfy the mortgage lender that they are going to be able to recover on their loan if they have to enforce against the secured asset that is your primary your residence, the property. In that case, you usually don't need an attorney, but sometimes the mortgage lender will ask for an attorney opinion letter. You have two choices when that confronts you. You can either comply and reach out to the attorney or an attorney to get an attorney opinion letter. They're pretty easy to do. I turn them around same day for my clients. Or you can say, forget you, Mr. Lender. I'm going to go to your competition across the street if you can't make it work with the certification of trust. Here's the certification of trust. That should provide you with all you need. There's a lot of hurdles to clear when you buy real property, and this is just another one added on top of the stack. No one said buying real property was going to be easy, okay? So that's selling and buying real property in the name of a living trust. That's what you need to know if you're considering setting up a living trust. If you'd like assistance with setting up a living trust, we'd be very happy to help you here at Speedwell Law. Reach out to us at the information below.